Gentlemen, this is ICO Reviews. Welcome to my channel, and today I bring to you Mandala. Mandala is a revolutionary digital asset exchange aiming to disrupt the market. They are inviting you to join their ICO, and the money raised will be used to create an exchange called Mandala Exchange. Now, they plan to be listing both utility and security token on their exchange, and also they plan to assist new ones who join the cryptocurrency to be able to trade easily. That's what many exchanges do not currently have, and they believe that their support will be on top of things. And many of us get worried about exchange will take us for a moron. When you have issues, you send them emails and they don't reply. Even when they reply, maybe after 4 days or 5 days. Can you imagine that? We make them rich. They make millions of dollars from us and they just give no damn about us. But I believe that Mandala Exchange will really change that. Now, let's go to ICO Bench. They are 4.1. 4.8 for ICO profile, 4.5 for team, 3.8 for vision, 3.6 for product. The token will be MDX. One MDX will be 7 cents, ladies and gentlemen, and it's based on Ethereum platform. They accept Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. The soft cap they plan to reach is $3 million US, and the hard cap is $18 million US. They are based on Cayman Island, and you will need a KYC, that is not your customer, to be able to get involved in Mandala ICO. And the exchange will really look like this. Sorry. Let me scroll up a little. Wow. So I'm there. So this is how the exchange plans to look like. You see. Now this looks beautifully put together, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the rest. So this is how it's going to look like, and these will be like on your mobile app. Now let's go to the roadmap. On the roadmap here, you can see what they plan to achieve. You can take your time to go through the roadmap. By Q3 they should be released, and all the rest what they plan. Now let's go to the team. This is the team: Nate Flanders, and Anda, Zach Daniels, and all the rest. They are huge, like a community. You can see these guys here, and with the advisors, they're huge. Let's go to their Telegram. They have 9,035 members now, and I believe they will still get enough hype. And even if they could not sell all their tokens they plan for the ICO, it get bonds. What they could not sell get bonds, and it's better for all of us. The price goes up. This is the Alesia ranking for the website. Now, when let's watch a video. They have an interview with Nasdaq, and you'll be seeing the CEO and one of the advisors. Let's watch what they have to say.
And the CEO of Mandala Exchange, and also Joseph Reben, managing partner, Reben and Velvis law firm. So thank you.
Thank you.
So Nate, let's start with you. Just tell me about Mandala Exchange. What do you do?
Mandala is a revolutionary digital asset exchange we're bringing to market. We are targeting and focusing on eliminating the boundaries of entry for the users we see coming into crypto that typically don't have the background in investing or trading, traditionally. We want to create a system that's empowering and inviting to eliminate any confusion or major loss, that we've seen happen often in crypto and the volatility.
So this would be, so if I owned a cryptocurrency or a token of a company,
correct,
I could trade it on the Mandala Exchange?
Absolutely, if it's listed on our exchange.
Okay. So just kind of like a stock exchange.
Yeah.
But for
right.
tokens and cryptocurrencies,
Correct.
right? And
Yep,
digital
absolutely.
assets. Okay. Now, I know one big question, Joseph, has been SEC compliance, and we've heard so much about this. There's been hearings in Washington. Where does that stand right now?
Sure. It's definitely a fluid situation within the cryptocurrency market right now. You're seeing a lot of exchanges, big exchanges, have to delist securitized tokens, non-utility tokens of all sorts, tokens that are not compliant either nationally, domestically here in the U.S., or internationally. So that's something that Mandala is hoping to avoid here by going full SEC compliance. We've already completed phase 1 of that with following Regulation S internationally with our companies that are regulated and listed in the Cayman Islands, and then we are trying to follow Regulation A+ here for our crowd sale in the U.S. when we're listed domestically, as well as file for a securitized exchange. So we're really trying to stay above board, centralize our exchange a little bit through regulation, but still follow the spirit of cryptocurrency, having an exchange where people can trade freely, both security and utility tokens.
Yeah, that's kind of...
What more can I say, ladies and gentlemen? You see them yourself. You see the interview. Could this be a scam? Nah. If they were a scam, they wouldn't show their face to you. They would not show their face. And what I love about these ICOs is they have what to give to you guys. They have a project. And when it comes to blockchain on the exchange ICOs, I love that because the exchange keep moving. People go to use the token to trade on their exchange, and they're going to pay for the trading fee using the exchange, and the price keep going up. Go and check Binance Coin. They started at less than $1, and they are almost $12 or $14 now. You can 10x, even 20x your money with this. But remember, guys, I am not your financial advisor. And this is not a paid review. I'm doing it for you guys. So make your own due diligence, make your own research, read the white paper, watch the interview, and make your decision. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, guys. I'm going to leave my referral down below. So as you want to sign up for Mandala ICO, click on it and sign up. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is your guy, ICO Reviews.